My dear friends, very good morning to all of you. My name is Sadhna, student of 10th A in Government High School, Sadwar Kala, District Gurdaspur, Block Kanwar 1. Today, with this project, I am explaining all about waste management alternative to plastic. Wastage normally gets generated from apartments, office, public places and various places with a lot of wastage which get generated. It could be plastic, metal, dry and wet. Even sometimes old cars, old bike, old item has go to recycle. Now we are going to manage the main problem of wastage. The items like old cars, old bikes, etc. are directly transported to the recycle bin center where this will recycle for various purposes. Here we have recycling factory. Using this factory, iron contents, metal contents, plastic contents are recycled in a recycling factory. Similarly, we have dustbins. We dump plastic waste in plastic dustbin, metal waste in metal dustbin, dry waste in dry dustbin, wet waste in wet dustbin. Now we carry wet waste with the help of truck to the biogas plant where the wet waste is generated for electricity as well as gas. Now we carry dry waste, metal waste, plastic waste for garbage segregation station. It can be segregated. Now we see which items can recycle or which cannot be recycled. So whatever that items are recycled, then now these items sent to recycling factory. Metal and plastic, those two items which are sent to recycling factory which are not recycled. Now this sent to waste landfilling. So it doesn't harmful for people. These are the steps for waste management. Now come to alternative plastic. We always use this cup. We not use this cup because this is made up of paper cup. It is made up of plastic. It is easily decomposable. It is not easily decomposable. We always use these bowls. We not use this bowl because it is made up of plant leaves. It is made up of plastic. It is easily decomposable. It is not easily decomposable. We always use this type of polybags. We not use this type of polybags because it is made up of paper. It is made up of plastic. So these are the waste management. Thanks.